Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sulva from TGPCET Nagpur. Today we have discussed about the subject database administrator, and in that we have discussed some topics of some types of database administrator. So, here the system of DBA now is completed according to their types of DBA. Now second one is database architect. So about database architect, it is on some organizations create a separate position database architect for design and implementation of new databases, and the database architect is involved in new design and development work only. He is not involved in maintenance, administration or tuning of established databases and applications. So here the database architect designs new database for new or existing application, and the rationale for creating a separate position is that the skills required for designing new database. I'm just telling about database architecture. So here databases are different from the skills required to keep an existing database implementation up and running. A database architect is more likely than a general purpose DBA to have data administration and modeling expertise. So typical tasks performed by the database architects include some creating a logical data model. If no DA or data modeler positions exist, translating logical data models into some physical database designs, then implementing efficient databases including specifying physical characteristics, designing efficient indexes, and mapping database object to physical storage devices. So first one, here analyzing data access and modifications requirements to ensure efficient SQL and optimal database design. Here some creating backup and recovery strategies for new databases. In that case, most organizations do not staff a separate database architect position, instead requiring DBAs to work on both new and established database project. This is all about database architectures. Now, database analyst. So, typical tasks performed by the database architect include creating a logical data model, and if no DA or data modeler position exists, so in that case, the database architect design new database for new or existing application. So now next third one is database analyst. So about database analyst, this position does not actually have a set definition. Junior DBAs may occasionally be referred to as a database analyst, and a database analyst occasionally performs functions that are comparable to those of database architect. The term data administrator is also used to describe database analyst and data analyst. Additionally, some businesses occasionally refer to database administrator as a data analyst. Here are some importance of database administrator, like database administrator manages and controls three levels of database: internal level, conceptual level, and external level of database management system architecture. And in discussion with the comprehensive user community, gives a definition of the worldview of the database. It then provides an external view of different users and applications. So here database administrator ensures held responsible to maintain integrity and security of database, restricting from unauthorized users. It grants permission to users of the database and contain a profile of each and every user in the database. So this is all about database analyst types of DBA. Now next one is data modeler. So data modeler, in general, a data modeler is in charge of a portion of data architect duties. Means a data modeler is typically not regarded as a DBA, but this is not a hard and fast rule. Clear? Now next one is application DBA. So application DBA, they particularly manage all requirements of application components that interact with the database and accomplish activities such as application installation and coordination, application upgrades, database cloning, data load process, and management. Now, next one is development DBA. That means they build and develop queries, stores, procedure that meet firm or organization needs. They are pair at programming. Now, next type is administrative DBA. Their job is to maintain the server and keep it functional. They are concerned with data backup, security, troubleshooting, replications, and migration. Next one is data warehouse DBA. Data warehouse DBA means assign earlier roles but held accountable for merging data from various sources into the data warehouse. They also design the warehouse with cleaning and scrubs data prior to loading. Clear? Next one is cloud DBA. Nowadays, companies are preferring to save their workspace on cloud storage as it reduces the chance of data loss and provides an extra layer of data security and integrity. Next one is development DBA. They build and develop queries, stores, procedures that meets firm or organization needs, and they are pair programming. Clear? Then task oriented DBA. So about task oriented DBA, that is to concentrate on a specific DBA task. DBA means database administrator. So here, to concentrate on a specific DBA task, large businesses may hire highly specialized DBAs. They are quite uncommon outside of big corporation. Recovery and backup DBA, whose responsibility it is to guarantee that the databases of businesses can be recovered, is an example of a task-oriented DBA. However, this specialism is not present in the majority of firms. These task-oriented DBAs will make sure that highly qualified professionals are working on crucial DBA tasks when it is possible. Clear? So these all are the types of DBA, and role and duties of database administrator is like decides hardware, manages data integrity and security, database accessibility, database design, database implementation, query processing performance, tuning database performance. So these all are the role and duties of database administrator. Clear? Now next is system DBA. System DBA, we have already discussed about system DBA. Then database architecture also discuss about database analyst. Then data modeler, application DBA, task oriented DBA. Example of task oriented DBA is a backup and recovery. Then knowledgeable specialist tackle very important DBA tasks. Then performance analyst, that means performance analysts are a specific type of task oriented DBA. Then the performance analyst focuses slowly on the performance of database application. Then able to speak with application developers in their language to help them facilitate appropriate program changes for performance. And last one is data warehouse administrator, that is implemented for performing in-depth data analysis and to monitor and support the data warehouse environment. DBAs are required, and data warehouse administrations require some experience with BI and query tools and specialized database design for data warehousing, and knowledge on data warehousing technologies such as OLAP ETL skills are required. So this is all about some types of DBA which we have discussed on today's lecture, and some administrative DBA like data warehouse DBA, and some cloud DBA, development DBA, application DBA, architect, OLAP DBA, that is the design and build multidimensional queues for determination support or OLAP systems in data warehouse administrator. So these all are the types of DBA. So I hope you like these videos. Thank you so much for watching.